Hello YouTube, this is Lily Puppy Girl here, and we have like 2 bazillion flies in our house, and I think I hit yeah, you can hear, there's a fly that fell, and there's like a TV playing in the background, sorry for that, but it fell.
And if you just wait, you can listen.
You can't really see it. I don't think you want to see it, but it's a regular housefly. It fell onto our bed, like in one of the folds.
And it's making noises.
So
just be quiet, Sarah. It makes noises.
Now you can actually hear the buzzing. Do you see, Ethan? Stop shaking it.
Well, it's making it.
Ethan, they can't really see it.
Whatever.
But either way, it's just a regular housefly. You can see that. Don't hate on this. It's a housefly. We have 2,000,001. We were gonna kill it anyway, but like, my brother was really gross and decided to pick it up. Oh God!
Let's freak it out.
Did you
freak? Oh, yeah.
Don't.
No.
Oh God!
Oh, I caught it again.
Okay, good. Rip off its wings so it doesn't fly away. Sorry for being so bad, but we do not want this fly to fly away. It'll become a walk. Okay, I'm gonna turn away.
I accidentally.
But that's all we have. For.
I think I killed it. I think it's
Ew,
dead.
Gross. Okay, that's all we have. Sorry for lack of uploads.
Let's.
Dead housefly makes noise.
Tried to mate, but we didn't allow it.
We do not want more flies in our house. Okay,
Ew.
bye. Ew.